Want to maximize lead engagement and increase your business conversions? In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated SMS campaigns using GoHighLevel to connect with your leads like never before. With GoHighLevel, you can automate your SMS campaigns to nurture leads, send reminders, follow-ups, and promotional messages. Let's get started. First, head to the Automation tab and click on Campaigns in the top menu bar. Click the Create Campaign button and give it a meaningful name. For more specific configurations, click on Campaign Configuration and enter details like users, next campaign, address, lead value, tags, and start date. After that, click the Save button. Now click Add Event and choose SMS. Give the SMS a proper name and write the SMS body, including any custom values. If you've already created an SMS template, you can choose it here, and then click Save. To add another event, click Add Event again and choose Wait. Set the desired wait time, then click Save. Once again, click Add Event. Choose SMS and enter the necessary details, just like the first SMS event, then save it. After adding all the events, click Draft in the top right corner and select Publish. You can keep adding more events to the campaign if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated SMS campaign. Start your 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel today and schedule your kickoff call to ensure a smooth setup. You'll find all the important links in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.